welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and I'm very excited to have all of you, like every Wednesday, here in my house. As you know, we are still in quarantine, we are still in isolation, and I think that we are going to be a couple of weeks more in our houses. But I was thinking, what else we can do while we are spending this isolation? We can start our own business. As I told you in previous videos, you can start this business by your own and in your house by making these beautiful creations. I wanted something that was easy, fast, and beautiful, and I think that it is an amazing idea to make. So I will show you how you can make these coasters for drinks in just few steps and with few materials. So let's start. First, I will give you the material list and then the step by step. And thank you so much in advance for watching this video and for deciding to spend this time with me. So let's start. Remember that if you want to buy and use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es. Well, I'm going to make a couple of coasters, so you will need 100 grams of fine material in different colors if you want, and a crochet hook of number 3. We are going to start making a ring, and we will start like this with one thread. So when you turn around your finger twice, once you have this, we are going to make 1, 2, and 3 chains. And then we will continue like this, making double crochets. We will take 2 together and then the last 2, and like this we are going to make 12. So far we have 3, so we will continue until we complete the 12 double crochets. Okay, so see you when we finished. Well, look, once you have the 12 double crochets, we are going to pull the thread which we started like this. We are going to pull tie, and then we are going to close in circle like this to complete the ring. We are going to slip 1. Well, now that we have this, we are going to start with the second row. We are going to start making half double crochets. We are going to make 2 double crochet in each stitch, and while marking this, we are going to hide all the loosened threads that we have. Well, for now I'm going to come back a little bit because I need to make this stitch a little bit tight. Remember, if you crochet loose, well, you can change hook so you can make this stitch more tight and we can have the coasters that we want. I will do it slowly so you can see how it is. So once you have these 3 loops, we will bring them through and then we will continue right away making the 2 half double crochets that we have to, okay? Well, we will continue like this all around until we finish. Well, look, now I finished the row. If you want, you can put a marker here to point it out where we start and where we finish the rows. As you could see, we are not going to close the row. We will continue like this, making rows over rows in circle. Well, now to continue, we will make one single stitch, one double crochet in one stitch, and then in the next stitch 2 double crochets together. So here I'm going to use my marker to point it out where we started the row so we know where we are going to finish. So remember, in one stitch we are going to make 1, and in the next stitch we are going to make 2 together. I will do it slowly so you can see how it is. This is the way we are going to continue the whole row. So look here, where is my marker? You pointed out that I finished the row here. Now we will continue as it goes. For example, well, we made 2 double crochets together, well, we are going to make 2 there. And where we made where we made 1/2 double crochet, where there we will make 1 double crochet. So as I told you, we are going to continue as we made before. Okay, also making 2/2 double crochets together and 1/2 double crochet apart. So this is how we are going to continue the whole row until we arrive to the other side of the marker. Well, we will stop there. Now we have 4 rows, and now we are going to make the second part of our coasters. We are going to make these little shells. Well, grab your journal without making change right away. We are going to skip 3 and we are going to make a double crochet. Remember of 2 crochets, and we are going to make 8, all of them inside this stitch.
4, 5, 6, 7
and 8. Once we finish the 8 double crochets, we are going to skip 1, 2, and in the third we are going to insert and we are going to make single crochet. All of them in the same stitch, remember. And again, after the single crochet we will skip 2, and in the third we are going to insert our hook, and inside this stitch we are going to make 8 double crochets. And like this is how we are going to continue making 1 shell, skipping 2 and then single crochet until we finish. At the end we must have 8 shells. To make sure that at the end we have 8, we should fold and we should have 4 in one side and 4 in the other side, so we will make sure that at the end we will have 8. Well, I will do it slowly so you can see how it is. And from now on you will continue like this until we have 8 shells, remember. Well, look, here I finished. I have 8 shells. Now, to start the next row, I'm going to slip until the middle of this last shell, like this. Well, once we are here, in the top, we are going to make 8 chains, like this. We are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here in the top of the next shell we are going to make single crochet, and again 8 chains,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7
and 8 and single crochet in the top of the next shell, again 8 chains and then single crochet in the top of the next shell, like this until we finish the row. Okay, so let's keep going. Now that we finish, we are going to start with the next row. We are going to make the last shells, these ones that we made, look. So to make these last shells, we are going to insert our hook in the middle of the chains that we made, and we are going to make double crochets of 3 crochets. And we are going to make 12, all of them in the same chain. Okay, so we are going to make 12 double crochets of 3 crochets together.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11
and 12. Then we are going to make single crochet where we made the last single crochet here. Look, right in the middle. When we finish this single crochet, right away we will continue making the next shell. Grab your yarn, and inside and in the middle of the last chains that we made, the 8 chains that we made, we are going to make 12. Well, at the end of the row we will cut thread and we are going to hide all of these loosened threads through all the project. And with this row we will finish. If you want, you can add more rows to make these coasters bigger, but I think that this size is the perfect size for the regular coasters that we see out there. Well, like this you can make more in different colors using different materials, and remember, using different combinations. This is up to you. This is one idea, but you can use different stitches. And remember that with this you can start a business, you can decorate your house, or it could be perfect for a gift. Well, at the end we will hide all the threads perfectly through all the projects, through this project, and then we will iron with plenty of steam. Please try not to put the iron too close to this project, okay? Remember to put a piece of fabric while you are ironing so you can protect this, okay? Well, at the end we will have something like this. Well, now let's see how it looks. Well, thank you so much for spending this day with me. I enjoy your company. Remember, if you are going to make this project, please take a picture and tag me. I love to see you making these projects, and this motivates me to keep going and to continue sharing these ideas. Remember that this could be an amazing opportunity to start your own business in your house. Well, thank you so much for watching this video with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and this Saturday I have a new video for you. Thank you. Bye.